Discover how to unlock the power of data by seamlessly integrating the TikTok Pixel with Google Tag Manager to supercharge your marketing campaigns. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Make sure you have access to the container you are using for your website. Click on Tags in the left-hand navigation menu, and then click New to begin creating a new tag. Now, head over to your TikTok Ads Manager account, navigate to the Events section, and click Create Pixel. Choose the custom mode to install the pixel, and select Manually Install Pixel Code. You will then need to copy your unique TikTok Pixel code. It's typically a longer sequence of numbers and letters. Back in GTM, give your new tag a descriptive name, like TikTok Pixel Page View. Select Custom HTML as the tag type. This lets us insert the code we just copied from TikTok. Now, paste that TikTok Pixel code directly into the HTML field. Next, we need to set up the trigger. Click on the triggering section, choose Page View as your trigger type. Select all page views and save your trigger setup. Perfect! Your tag is now configured. Save the tag, and you're essentially done with the base installation. For tracking specific events, like button clicks or form submissions, you'll need to set up additional custom events in TikTok Ads Manager and configure corresponding triggers in GTM, but that's for another video. Don't forget to submit and publish the changes to your Google Tag Manager container to make your TikTok Pixel live. You're ready to start gathering valuable insights into your website visitors' actions. Happy tracking!